Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Today's lesson is from grade 12, unit number 3, exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Statement of the question is evaluate the following indefinite integrals. We are starting the integration portion from the first exercise of unit 3, that is related to integration. The first one was related to differentials. So first we are deciding point number 4. Please speak. What is the part?
Integral of 2x plus 3 power 1 by 2
Integral of 2x plus 3 whole power 1 by 2 dx. So first thing, before I start the solution, I would like to explain what is indefinite integral. Dear students, integral like this, the same symbol without any limits, this is called indefinite integral. Whereas if we are defined any limits, maybe right from a to b and some function into dx like this, then its name will be definite integral. So this is the basic difference, definite integral and indefinite integral. Moreover, inside your book, your first 5 exercises are related to indefinite integral. The portion related to definite integral will start from 6th exercise, that is from 3.6. Next, come towards how to solve it. Dear friends, we are given the function as 2x plus 3. You all have completed unit number 2. So you must be knowing what is the differential of this without exponent. Without looking at exponent, what is the differential of 2x plus 3? So you all better know that its differential will be 2 and dx, that is 2 I need over here and dx is already available. So to balance that 2, what I will do, I will divide outside, that means multiplying and dividing by 2, and this is same already given. Now very interesting and very easy, the rule says that function is given, its differential is given, so how to integrate it? Very simple, integration says that the same function given power plus 1 whole over plus 1 and plus constant of integration. Now make the power simplified and that will be your final answer. That is, here we have 2x plus 3, exponent will be equal to 3 by 2 by adding 1 plus 1 by 2, same 3 by 2 over here, and plus c will remain in the loss. Shifting 3 by 2 to the top, we will be having the final shape as it will become 2 by 3 coming on the top, and no change over here, 2x plus 3 whole power 3 by 2, then is constant of integration. So our final answer will be 1 over 3 into 2x plus 3 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Hope you all understand. Clear? Okay, please speak the next part.
Sir, integral of
part number please.
Yes sir, part number 6.
Part number 6 is integral of
under y
root y.
Yes sir, y plus 1
root y.
Yes sir,
into
sir
into
y plus 1
under
y
whole over y.
Yes sir,
Here will be dy
when y greater than 0,
and it will be given condition that the y is positive, it is greater than 0. Okay, how to solve? Very simple. Here we multiply at the place of numerators and make the two integrals separate for you to make the solution easier. That is, we can multiply root y with y and over same denominator, this one separate, plus root y into 1 whole over y, that is root y into 1 whole over y and dy. Hope it is clear? Yes or no?
yes sir.
Okay, see, very simple here, y and y will go cancel. So you are left with root y. Root b power is 1 by 2 and dy plus. Whereas in this case, here is power 1 by 2, here is power 1. So subtracting, you will be having power at the top place minus 1 by 2 and dy. Now, hope it is clear like this. Function is given, differential is given. Function is y, differential is dy. Likewise, same function is y, differential is dy. So what says the solution of integration? It says that same power plus 1 over same power plus 1 plus some constant of integration, and second same rule, that is same power plus 1 over same plus 1 and plus constant of integration. Hope you understand, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So making it simplify, 1 plus 1 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. So writing in the next step, it will become 2 by 3. Simplification of 1 plus 1 by 2 already done, it will be 3 by 2 plus, here it is 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 at the place of denominator, shifting it on the top, it will become 2 by 1 and y exponent will be left with 1 by 2 plus, combining both constants c1 plus c2 and writing them like constant of integration. That is my final answer. If there is anything to explain, you are welcome. If it is clear, please speak.
Yes, sir, it is clear. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Then we first erase them and then solve the next parts. Have a nice time.